अगर हम बचपन से ही सेक्स एजुकेशन देना चालू कर दें, हम लड़कों को बता दें कि व्हाट इट इज़ एंड लड़कियों को बता दें व्हाट इट इज़, तो आई फील कि दिस रेप ये जो चीज़ है ना, इसमें काफ़ी कमी आ जाएगी.
Education is, I think, the main
Of course.
thing. What's the first thing comes in your mind when you hear the word rape?
Mentally sick.
Social insecurity.
The embarrass thing.
It's a very bad thing.
Victim. Disgusting.
I should kill him. Why?
Violence. Cruel thing.
Insecurity for girls. It's just brutal and gross. I mean, something that should not exist.
Pain. Fear.
I really feel bad.
Terrible.
Very bad.
Wrong. According to you, what's the reason behind it?
Lack of education.
Lack of social awareness.
Sick minds of people, maybe, I don't know.
Lack of sex education.
I believe it's the culture that, it's not really open
Ego and revenge.
Mentality of the people.
as compared to Western culture.
Most of the people are not educated. They're only literate.
I think men, they don't control themselves. They don't have that ability to control.
लोगों का माइंडसेट इतना ज़्यादा नैरो हो चुका है कि वो हर चीज़ को एक केवल अपने प्लेजर के लिए देखते हैं.
Parents' foundations.
They just take it as it is a thing that we can play with.
Mentality. The rapist rapes someone, and I don't know. He's sick basically because a normal person won't do it. Like I wouldn't do it, you wouldn't do it.
A lack of self-control.
Basically the mindset of people, like what a girl is wearing, they think of like इसने ऐसा पहना है तो maybe she's showing off.
अगर सामने से हमको नहीं मिल रहा तो ज़बरदस्ती में लेने में क्या होता है.
लड़कों की mentality.
Like it's only, I think generally it's mindset, but it happens with girl in a suit also, in villages also.
The mentality, first of all. People not respecting women.
सोच ही गंदी है.
Short dress. So, must be she's
open.
Yeah.
If she's revealing, she's open.
Our society is also responsible for this. They don't take any action for these. They said just it's a mistake and leave it.
Now, according to you, as a society, what we should do to control or even minimize or totally remove the rape?
सेक्स एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. इवन इट्स अ थिंक ऑफ विजन कि आप किसी को कैसे देख रहे हो.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अगर समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है सोसाइटी को कि अगर कम कपड़ों में लड़के देख के लड़कियां उन पर नहीं चढ़ती हैं तो लड़कियों को कम कपड़े देख के लड़कों को भी उन पर नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें लोगों की मेंटालिटी को ही चेंज करना चाहिए. हमें उनको ज़्यादा नॉलेज देनी चाहिए.
अगर हम बचपन से ही सेक्स एजुकेशन देना चालू कर दें, हम लड़कों को बता दें कि व्हाट इट इज़ एंड लड़कियों को बता दें व्हाट इट इज़, तो आई फील कि दिस रेप ये जो चीज़ है ना, इसमें काफ़ी कमी आ जाएगी.
Proper parenting is necessary to stop rapes.
Strict punishment should be there.
First, we need to educate more and more people.
इफ़ किसी लड़की ने छोटे कपड़े पहने हैं दैट मीन्स नॉट कि दे आर ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर सेक्स और सेक्सुअल ऑब्जेक्ट.
These matters should be taken down seriously.
Being a part of the society, being a girl, you have to take care of yourself. You have to be your own shield. You have to be self-trained. You should know karate or some stuff.
And first of all, we should strengthen our laws because our rape laws are very stupid.
अभी भी एक इंसान से सोसाइटी चेंज नहीं होती. ये सारा मैनेजमेंट पे होता है. जब तक हमारी मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रांग नहीं होएगी, हम नहीं होंगे.
We are not taking those actions which is actually required.
आई थिंक देयर शुड बी अ स्पीडी जस्टिस. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग उनको वो मतलब जो सज़ा होती है वो पनिशमेंट उनको दी जाए.
If someone is found guilty in a rape case, according to you, what should be the punishment?
It should be a death. To make them like half female or a half male.
I think it should be death punishment only.
If you rape somebody, you're actually ruining their life. How about I cut your genitals and leave you?
I think a life imprisonment or a death.
He shouldn't be out in the society again. At least, if you don't hang him, at least keep him inside forever.
I think that person should be tortured to death. Like
It's
male
very
part should be cut down.
You should kill them.
That penalty is only way to stop.